Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do Rainbow Write with our S blends. So, I love Rainbow Write. I think it's fun to write our words in different colors. So let's write our words first and then we'll go back through and we'll do the 3 different colors. So our first word is going to be slip. So let's write it. Slip. Our next word is cast. Cast. Very good. You're doing awesome, boys and girls. Number 3 is going to be stop. Stop. Number 4, nest. Nest. Number 5, swim. Swim. Next word, number 6, crisp. Crisp. Number 7, snap. Snap. And number 8 is best. Best. Now, you're going to take your crayons and copy the words in 3 different colors. We've done this a lot. So you know exactly how it should look when you are done. It should look like this. So you should have 3 different colors. And when you're all finished, make sure your name is at the top. Put it in the basket and start on your Lexia.